Last 7 days in the crypto market is literally low volume dead, and there is nothing much of a price movement in the whole crypto market. We have seen a small pump in the price of Bitcoin a bit, but nothing much, no news, and technical analysis also is nothing showing any good confirmation either towards the upside or downside. So this is just a quick recap videos of my trades, and if I'm going in long or short in any of my trades. So let's get straight to the point. Starting with the price of Bitcoin right now, and if you can clearly see, the price of Bitcoin is just slowly pumping towards the upside. And I hope you remember my video somewhat over here. I made a video that the price of Bitcoin and the overall crypto can pump a little bit towards the upside. Why? Because we have already seen a lot of bearish pressure in the last couple of days and weeks, and obviously the bears are exhausted right now, and the price has already made a new lower low. So there are high chances that the price will pump towards the upside to make a new lower high, and the same thing is happening. If I zoom out, you can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, and then once again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has been made. So there are high chances that this is just a small pump to make a new lower high. And if I adjust this trend line, so you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is somewhat over near its resistance. And why I am saying resistance is because this is the main level where the lower high of Bitcoin has been made. This is a very crucial point, because if the price of Bitcoin breaks this trend line towards the upside with a retest, obviously not a fake out, then we can see a pump in the price of Bitcoin, or else the price can again reverse towards the downside. So let's see what happens right now, because there is one more level of resistance. I hope you can see this yellow trend line over here. This is a very important resistance right now for Bitcoin at 91.4k level approx. So even if the price of Bitcoin breaks this trend line towards the upside, it will face a heavy resistance at this level. So right now I'm not entering in any long or short position on Bitcoin right now. I will wait for the price either to show some kind of a reversal towards the downside, wait a second, or it breaks this important 92.4k level, 91.4 exactly. And why I am saying, see, I'm not greedy that I will enter in a long position on Bitcoin as soon as it breaks this trend line, because even if the price breaks this trend line towards the upside with a retest or without a retest, still there is a very major resistance waiting for the price of Bitcoin at 91.4k level. And if the price of Bitcoin breaks that level of resistance, then maybe I can enter in a long position on Bitcoin, but for now I'm not entering in any long or short. Also on Ethereum, same is with Ethereum as well. You can clearly see the price of Ethereum is in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is the new lower low. So now the price of Ethereum is making a lower high, same as with Bitcoin. And the next important resistance for the price of Ethereum is this purple zone from $2,120 to $2,170 approx. This is a very important resistance for Ethereum right now. And you can clearly see, when the last time Ethereum broke this level towards the downside, it never did a retest. It just continuously dumped towards the downside. So as I said, the bears are exhausted. We have already seen a lot of oversold price action, so there are high chances price is going towards the upside for Ethereum to make a lower high along with completing its retest right over here. And let's see what happens. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum can also break this level and pump towards the upside, or else it can dump. And not only this, but I hope you can see this white trend line. So this trend line is also a very important level of resistance. And so same, I would say setup for Ethereum as well, that even if the price of Ethereum breaks this zone towards the upside, still I will wait for Ethereum to do a proper retest and break this trend line towards the upside. Then only I will enter in a long position. I'm not interested in getting trapped in the fake out. That's the main reason. Alright, so I'm on the Solana's chart right now, and I hope you remember I made a video dedicated on Solana, that how it is in a downtrend. You can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It is in a downtrend. And recently Solana made a lower low right over here, and we can clearly see continuous red candles. Price is obviously oversold. Bears are now exhausted, and we have seen a bullish candle right over here. Not much I would say volume in that candle. The volume is also pretty less, and the body of that candle is also not quite satisfying according to me. But still we are seeing a slow pump in the price of Solana, and I'll be honest, it is the same thing as Bitcoin, same thing as Ethereum. Solana is making its new lower high, and yeah, that's what I want to say. Maybe we can see the price of Solana going all the way up till $170, but it all depends on the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps a lot, then we can see the price of Solana also pump till $170. But let's see. Price of Solana is pumping towards the upside slowly, and currently it is at $140 level. So this is it for today's video. I hope you understand. Nothing much in crypto, but this is what I expect for the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. Well, it all depends on Bitcoin, as I obviously every time say. So let's see what happens. I'm not entering in any long and short position right now in crypto, and yeah, just waiting for the volume to come back. And obviously I'll be honest with you guys, the bear market is already started and the bull market is already over. And I did made a previous video stating that the price of Bitcoin will soon dump all the way down till $80-70K level, and the bear market already started. But many people commented that I was wrong, and many hateful comments under that video. I will make a dedicated video like what actually happened and what was my analysis for. That's a later topic. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand. See you guys next time.